Hey everyone, in this video we will see Craftsman V12 and V20 battery charger lights, indicator meaning and troubleshooting guide. Single LED chargers. Flashing green, the battery is charging. Solid green, the battery is fully charged. Flashing red, the battery is too hot or too cold. Wait until it reaches the room temperature. Solid red, there is a problem with the battery or charger. Multi LED chargers like V20 and V12. Flashing green, the battery is charging. Solid green, the battery is fully charged. Solid red, the battery is too hot or too cold. Flashing red, the battery is faulty and may need to be replaced. Fixes are: let the battery reach to room temperature. Remove the battery from the charger, then leave it at room temperature for about 30 minutes. Then put the battery back into the charger and check if it starts charging. Second one is clean the battery contact. Unplug the charger from the wall outlet, then wipe the metal contact on the battery and charger with a dry cloth. If the contacts are dirty, clean them with a little rubbing alcohol and let them dry. Reinsert the battery and try charging again. Third one is reset the charger. Unplug the charger from the wall outlet, then wait for 2 minutes. Plug the charger back into a working wall outlet. Then insert the battery and check if the charger works normally. Thanks for watching.